Assalamu alaikum. This is Musawwir, an associate cost and management accountant. In this video, we are going to learn how to enter or how to create a data entry form on Excel. For creating a data entry form, we need to have a data table. So for making a data table, let me quickly write down the table over here. So it starts from names, serial number names. We have position, basic pay. We have allowances, and then we have total pay. We have deductions, usually the tax and other deductions like advances, etc. And we have total or net pay. So this is a table that we want to create over here. So you may have as many columns as you want, depending upon your requirement. So for inserting a table, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+L to get over here, and make sure to mark this option here. So press OK. So you got a table over here. So if you don't have the form option in your quick access toolbar, just don't need to worry. Go to the file, find option here, and go to quick access toolbar here, and find commands not in the ribbon. And these are all in the alphabetical order, so try to find the form. Here you go, press add and then OK. It will appear on the quick access toolbar right here, so press on the form, so you get over here. So before proceeding the form, let me do a little more working on this table. So I want the total pay should be the basic pay plus allowances, and deductions, for instance, say 15% of the total pay, and net pay is definitely total pay less deductions. So you got a table here. So now you click on the form again, so you can see multiple options here. So these fields, some fields over here, as you notice, are allowing you to enter data records here, but these three fields in the end does not allow you to enter any record, because we have formula in these fields like total pay, deductions, and net pay. So Excel recognizes that wherever we put a formula, it recognizes, so the formula is itself going to calculate the results and will be displayed these results on the field. So these are logged for you. So all what you need to enter your data is over here, and it automatically applies to the rest of these fields. So let's type a record over here. For instance, record 1, the person is Ali. He is a manager's account. He is a manager account. Basic pay, for instance, say 60,000. Allowance is 5,000. You can press enter to move to the next record. There is Ahmad. He is assistant manager finance. His basic pay is 45,000, for instance, and he has got allowance of 5,000 a month. Press enter to move to the next record. The third is Alia. She is a business development manager. She has got a basic pay 62,000 and has an allowance of 4,000 a month. Press enter to go to the next record. So the fourth one is Haris. He is a cashier. He has a basic pay of 30,000 a month and allowance 3,000. So press enter to move forward. You can see there is a new option over here as well, new. So whenever you press new, so it will automatically move you towards the next record that you are going to enter. So you can find the find previous option here, and you can go to back, and you can go forward as well by pressing the find next. So one more thing, one more option that you can see over here is the criteria. So you can have so many records in your table, so it would be hard for you sometimes to find out a particular data. So you can set your criteria, clicking on criteria, to find any record of your requirements. For instance, we are trying to search a record Before this, let me tell you that you might have noticed over here that these all options are now allowing you to enter any record, because you are setting criteria to find out your requirements. So I am going to put a criteria. I want to see any record. I want to see deductions. I want to see the field which has a deduction less than 5,000. Alright, so I will need to press enter. So it appears the column, the row 4 or the record 4 having a tax deduction or having a deductions in aggregate meeting the criteria which has less than 5,000 in value. So here you go. If you enter next, so this is the only record present in your table having a deduction less than 5,000. You can have a different option as well over here. You can see the delete option. So if you want to delete this record, you just simply highlight your record and press delete. So before this, I want you to notice here, you can scroll this down to move to further records, or simply you can use this next or previous to move backward or forward. So if you want to delete this record, just need to press delete button and it will show up your warning. If you want to delete it, it will be permanently deleted. If you agree, press OK. It will be automatically deleted from your table. So this is how we can prepare a data entry form on Excel. So it's very useful for the people who are managing data and who have a data centers and offshore whose employees, or sometimes retail stores where you do not have a literate resource to manipulate the tables or the sheets. So you need to educate them with these data entry forms. So it's very useful tool. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Thank you.